Is your garden constantly under siege by aphids, ants, or whiteflies? I get it. Those tiny terrors can ruin your plants overnight. But what if I told you there's a simple, all-natural spray you can whip up in your own kitchen? No harsh chemicals, no fancy equipment, just results. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make it and explain why it works so well. First, let's talk ingredients. Garlic is the star of the show. It's loaded with sulfur compounds that naturally repel insects, mess with their feeding, and even stop them from reproducing. Onion comes in as the backup, also rich in sulfur and packed with antibacterial and antifungal power, so it helps with pests and fungal problems like mildew. Then green chilies, yeah, the spicy ones. They're full of capsaicin, which burns and irritates insects, sending them running from your plants. Next, water. It's just the base, but it's what lets you spray all those actives right where pests like to hide. And finally, a few drops of mild liquid soap. This helps the spray stick to leaves and suffocates soft-bodied insects by blocking their tiny breathing pores. Simple, right? Here's how you put it all together. Toss a few cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and 2 or 3 green chilies into your blender. Blitz it into a fine paste. Add a liter of water and mix it well. Now let that mixture sit and ferment for at least 24 hours. This step is key. The waiting allows the compounds from garlic and chili to really infuse the water, making your spray super potent. After 24 hours, strain the liquid with a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Trust me, you don't want chunky bits clogging your spray bottle. Then add a teaspoon of mild soap and give it a good stir. That's it. You've just made your own powerful pest-killing spray. Pour it into a spray bottle and coat your plants top and bottom of the leaves, especially where pests like to hide. Early morning or late evening is best so you don't burn your plants in the midday sun. If pests are everywhere, spray every 2 or 3 days. For maintenance, once a week does the trick. In a week or two, you'll see fewer bugs, healthier plants, and no chemical residue. So next time pests attack, forget the store-bought stuff. Grab some garlic, onion, and chilies, and let nature do the work. Try it out and let me know your results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening hacks.